Hello everybody. I have been having a situation where I've been losing power. It's just voltage. My alternator has not been working, or there's some type of connection issue. So what I want to do is just go around, check, show y'all how it looks. And you can see my batteries. Something that you can see, look hard enough, you got a little bit of corrosion on these. You can see the bluishness on it. It wasn't like that before. It just started getting like that. So I've already took a wired brush to try to, brush some of it off, but you can still see how bad it looks. I go over here and you see right here, I have some corrosion there. I go from that line over, on up, over here. Behind these wires, you can see we got some corrosion over there as well. So yeah, it's definitely not great. Come over to the starter. You can see how the starter looks as well. So I don't even know why the starter looks like that, but that's how it looks. As far as the alternator is concerned, the alternator looks fine. No corrosion over here. So the only thing I can do right now is try to clean up the corrosion and then check the fuses for right now, because I don't got a multimeter on me. I started on the negative side first with brushing that out with a wire brush. Positive side, you can still see they got quite a bit of corrosion, even though I tried brushing this off beforehand. So I'm going to take some time and really brush this out. All right, so you can see how these now look a little better for all of them. So hopefully that helped out. And you can see how this one looks here. The other ones over here, I have to move a little bit too much stuff from where I'm at. I'd have to get home first before I can actually say I can do something with that. But these over here, I was able to sand these down, wire brush them. So they're not pristine, but they are pretty good, especially in comparison to what they were. So I'm gonna go ahead, close this up and see how this goes. So I wanted to show this off. The voltage is currently at 13.9. That's the most it's been within the last couple of days. Constantly, it's been going down consistently. I haven't started driving yet, so I ain't got no, vibrations or anything like that. So we'll see how it goes, but this does make me hopeful. So to also say something else, I had codes come up for low voltage today. So what was it, 168 FMI 1, FMI 18. I had the dashboard that ended up cutting off on me at some point. Like the whole thing almost died on me. So yeah, so hopefully this helped you out. And if this doesn't help you out, you might need a new alternator, which is why I think I might need a new alternator. I actually got one over here. So just in case this don't work out, I got that there. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So to give an update, I drove for about 2.5 hours and everything was fine. When I got back, the truck did not go under 13 volts for that entire time, thankfully. So I think that the connections was the problem and not the alternator. Hopefully this video helped you out. Check your connections if you need to, and I'll see y'all in the next video.